Alright, so a while back, Gravastar were kind enough to send some of their awesome tech over to our channel. We did a quick unboxing and hands-on tour of some of their products, and today we are reviewing the Gravastar Mars Pro speaker. Let's get started. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team BRY, and today we have here with us the Gravastar Mars Pro. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker that comes with a very cool and unique design. It's definitely one of my most favorite pieces of tech this year. Like I mentioned earlier, we do have an unboxing video on the channel, so you can check that out as well. Now, Gravastar is the company behind this speaker, and they feature a whole range of different products, and if you want to check out their stuff, I will drop a link in the description below. Now, before we move on, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you tried the speaker before, or maybe you're interested in getting one? And with that said, let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, the thing that stands out the most with the Mars Pro is the sci-fi inspired mecha design. I mean, if you didn't already know that this was a Bluetooth speaker, you'd probably think that it was a collectible or a model kit of some sort. It's got a tripod design with the main speaker part at the middle, and it is definitely built to look out of this world. Obviously, we have the black model here, but Gravastar also offers different color styles, and you can even get the speaker with some additional accessories like a charging base and weapon parts for aesthetics. According to Gravastar, the speaker is built with a zinc alloy material, and you can definitely feel the metal parts of the outer shell when handling the speaker. It's not entirely made of metal though, but I think that's a good thing as the Mars Pro is heavy enough as it is. Inside the speaker, you'll find Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, a pretty large 8000 mAh battery, and it also features RGB lighting all over, which adds to the overall sci-fi look. I simply love the design, and you can even change how the lights operate. You can change the color altogether or set it to gradually cycle through all the RGB colors, and you can even set the lights to flash along to whatever music you're playing. Now, the Mars Pro comes with 3 main buttons on the top of the speaker, and these are for Bluetooth controls and pairing, a main power switch that also doubles as a play and pause button, and a button to control the RGB lights. You can also control your music volume on the Mars Pro using the capacitive panel on the top of the speaker. It's a pretty cool way to adjust your volume, and there's even an LED indicator so you can see your current volume level. On the bottom is a USB Type-C port, which is used for charging, but you can also use it as a line-in port to play music from your phone's 3.5mm headphone port. The Mars Pro is pretty easy to set up. You just need to press the Bluetooth switch to go into pairing mode, and your device should see the Mars Pro speaker right away in the Bluetooth settings menu. You can sync it up with smartphones, tablets, TVs, and it even worked on my Nintendo Switch. Now, moving on, the Gravastar Mars Pro sounds good. The speaker has a very powerful bass, but it still manages to give a balanced sound so it doesn't drown out your mids and highs. The front of the speaker has a 1-inch tweeter, and around the back you'll find a 2.5-inch full-range speaker with a 20-watt maximum output. The vocals on songs still manage to sound pretty clear, and the deep bass tones do a great job of giving you a well-rounded listening experience. Check out these samples up next. Now, according to Gravastar, the Mars Pro can last for up to 15 hours playback time thanks to the 8000 mAh battery, which is pretty impressive. So far, I've managed to get around the same amount of playback time, but of course volume levels as well as your RGB lighting will play a factor in how your battery will last before you need to charge again. Now, it is a bit on the expensive side, coming in at around $229 for the standard edition. To be honest, this is pretty expensive for a Bluetooth speaker, but I think it's worth the asking price because of the sound quality, build, and of course a design that you won't get anywhere else. Overall, I think that the Gravastar Mars Pro is an impressive product, and the design, build, and sound quality are great as far as wireless speakers go. Guys, we have more tech videos here on Team BRY, so feel free to check out our other content. Again, let me know your thoughts on this video, and if you found it helpful, do consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.